The storm, it's coming. We're already seeing some effects in the southern part of the state. We're going to continue to see conditions deteriorate throughout the rest of the day, and we are anticipating a landfall as likely a major hurricane sometime this evening. With all of the evacuation orders, there's going to be a time, and some of that time may have been reached in southern parts of the state, where your local official is going to tell you it's too late to stay put. I don't think that we've reached that in northern Florida yet, but wherever you are, if your local EM officials say that it's too hazardous to go and that you're better off just hunkering down, heed that advice.